Hi, we are happy to showcase our new photo calendar enhancements. We have enhanced various features in photo calendar. Let's discuss first, modify basic properties, and customer can edit month layout like font color and font size. Second, add personalize back cover. Previously customer can add only front cover, now they will be able to add back cover. Third, duplicate same month on same page while creating page layout from admin. Fourth, the number of rows in a month, which will be applicable for all month. Fifth, whether to split a single date cell into two to fit multiple dates. Let's discuss the first, modify basic properties. First we will see how it looks like at front end. So you can see wall calendar product. If you go to Browse Design option, select any template, you will be in Designer Studio. Select the month. Now if you will click on month layout, here you can see edit month layout. If you click on it you can see all option to edit basic properties like font style, font colors. Let's take an example. For September 2021 if we change color and click on preview, you can see the color change. Same if we want to change weekend color, just select weekend, change the color and click on preview. In the same way as per customer need, they can change all the options. Now let's see how we can configure it in admin. Go to Designer Studio and then Site Setting. Search Basic Calendar in search bar. You will see Allow Basic Calendar Properties Modify at Front Side. Just activate this button. Now moving ahead with the next feature. Now you can add and personalize back cover. First let's see how it looks like in Designer Studio at front end. So if you go in Designer Studio and go at end you can see back cover, as you can see on screen. Here customer can add background, or color, or personalize it with any image. To configure it in admin, go to Product, Wall Calendar Single Side, Action and go to Designer option. Here just activate the button of back cover. As this button will be enabled, customer can add and personalize back cover. Now moving ahead to the next feature. Duplicate same month on same page, while creating page layout. To configure this in the Designer option, we have given the option of duplicate month, activate the button. If this button is activated and you will create page layout, then duplicate month block will be created automatically. Let's see how it works. Just go to Template, Product Templates and add page layout. Click on Add button and fill all the required data title, product type, and product. In layout type you have to select Inner Pages. After putting all required information click on Save and Continue. You can see month block and duplicate month block. You can arrange this as per your requirement. So at front end it will look like this. So it's like same month duplicated on same page. The next feature is number of rows in a week. So if you go to Create Month Layout, we have already created design. Now if you click on Edit Design, here you can see number of weeks per row. If you select 2 and click on Preview you can see 2 weeks per row. As you select 3 and click on Preview button you can see 3 weeks per row. So you can use this feature while creating month layouts. Let's see single date cell into 2, to fit multiple dates. So if you are selecting 1 week per row then only this option will be visible. Now you can select number of rows either 5 or 6. If you're selecting 5 rows you can see 5 rows, and for 6 you can see 6 rows, where 6th row is blank. If you are selecting 5 rows and the date 31 is not fitting into 5th row so it will be adjusted in 5th row. So it will look like this, where date 31 is sharing block of date 24. So 2 date fit into 1 single block. Hope you like all photo calendar enhancements. These feature will help you to configure photo calendar at next level. If you have any more queries, please contact us at support@onprintshop.com.